Subtract 2x plus 3 over x plus 5 minus x minus 3 over x plus 5. So, observe the denominator. So, pareho pa rin. So, kopyahin lang yan. Ayan. And then, i-minus lang natin yung numerator. 2x plus 3. Then, minus x minus 3. Ayan. So, since minus ito, so yung terms dito, ay yung sign nila ay magre-reverse. So, ang positive magiging negative at ang negative magiging positive. Okay, kopyahin muna natin yung 2x plus 3. So, negative times x will become negative x. And negative times 3, negative times negative 3 will become positive 3. And just copy the denominator. At ang sunod, combine like terms. So, yung 2x, then minus x plus 3 and plus 3 over x plus 5. So, yun, dinakma siya. Dito natin ilagay. So, 2x minus x is equal to x. And 3 plus, yun, dito galing yun. And 3 plus 3 is equal to positive 6 over, kopyahin ang denominator. Ayan. So, ito na yung sagot.